Hello everyone! So if you want to find and manage sound settings on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, first of all open up your settings and now scroll down to your sound and haptics tab, open it up. So first of all here you can adjust the sound, so to reduce it simply swipe it to the left, to make it louder swipe it to the right, just like this. Also, you can enable change with buttons, simply just the same process, only by your volume buttons. And you can choose haptics, so whether you want your haptics play for a ringtone and alerts, so you can choose between always play, play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, never play. Next, go to the ringtone. You can choose the ringtone and enable some haptics for it. You can choose your text tone and enable haptics, and it goes just the same with new voicemail, new mail, send mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, default alerts. Each sound on this phone can be adjusted, and that is really cool. The next thing I want to talk about is keyboard haptics. So keyboard feedback, you can turn off your keyboard sound and keyboard haptics. You can enable or disable your lock sound, your system haptics, and also here you have your headphone audio. So first of all, you can adjust your headphone safety and personalize spatial audio, which is exclusive for Apple AirPods. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.